Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. In this problem, we're asked to draw a frequency histogram for the following continuous data representing the distance in kilometers between a school and each student's house. So to draw a frequency histogram, we first need a frequency table. Since this data is continuous, we need to group it. We can have groups from 0.1 to 1, making this a group of 0.9. And they all have to be equal, so we can just continue on until our biggest value. So 2.0, 2.1 to 3.0, 3.1 to 4.0, 4.1 to 5.0, and 5.1 to 6.0. Now we can just go through the data set and find which value falls into which frequency. So for the first group, there are actually no values with that frequency, so it's 0. The second one has 1, 2 data points. The third one has 1, 2, 3 data points. The fourth one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data points. The fifth one has 1, 2, and the last has just 1. Now that we've done this frequency table, we are free to graph it. So this x-axis, or the y-axis, will be the frequency, and the x-axis will be the groups. So this will be 0.1 to 1, this will be 1.1 to 2, 2.1 to 3, 3.1 to 4, the first one has 0, so we don't write anything. The second one is at 2, the third one is at 3, fourth one is at 5, fifth one is at 2 again, and the last one is at 1. So this is our frequency histogram. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next lesson.